Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to stream on Twitch via the GoPro app with the GoPro Hero 9. They fixed the camera, so now it's working properly. As long as you have your camera connected to the app, you should be able to do this. So you go to your camera, you have your camera on. I have the wireless, it's set up on 2.5 gigahertz because I think that was one of the problems. I don't know, I'm using the lower frequency. So you go to your GoPro app, you make sure you have Bluetooth, data, wireless, location connect open, enabled. You go to your app, you press control your GoPro, you go to live, set up live, and here I am using, for Twitch, I'm using rtmp. Because if you go straight to Twitch, it's gonna ask you to put the title every time, and it's really annoying. So you have a preset title, it's gonna reset it every time, you have to write something there. So I'm using rtmp, which is a bit more complicated. And here you will have to put the URL into the rtmp URL. So how do you find the proper URL? Very simple. You go to stream. Come on, focus. Oh my god, this camera. Stream Twitch TV ingests, and you search for the URL for the server you want to use. So I'm using Vienna because it's like the closest to me, and there's a URL here you're gonna have to paste, and at the stream key you will put your stream key without a parenthesis or a parenthesis. You take your stream key here, you paste it here on a notepad or whatever, and you paste the whole URL to the Twitch app. How you do that? I don't know, you send this link to your email or something and you copy paste it in your phone somehow. You'll find a way. Now, after this, the next step is you have to enable the hotspot on your phone. Come on. Then press select Wi-Fi network and it should find that hotspot. Yes, it's here. Tell Chris. Come on. Continue. You don't copy this copy on the card. You don't need that. Resolution, it's up to you. And that's it. Go live. Now this camera is working without any problems. We had a lot of problems before, but they updated it and it's now working fine. I hope this was a help to you if you wanted to stream by rtmp. So yeah, happy live streaming.